I was the champion in Eastern University in badminton. So, to some extent, it is related to yoga or the sports activity. Regarding yoga, already it has been mentioned that 21st June we celebrate this day as International Day of Yoga, and it has been possible only because of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has on 11 December 2014, because of his urge, United Nations General Assembly declared 25 June as the International Day of Yoga, and we know it. And every 21st June we celebrate this International Day of Yoga. Yoga is not just merely an exercise. What I learned and what I feel, this is our physiology, for ancient philosophy of our country. So, who are you? Who am I? This is very important. So, if you do yoga, you will understand who am I. Sometimes we talk, we move, we go somewhere else, we read, but we don't know who am I. So through yoga you can understand who am I. So your body, your mind, your intellect, everything will be developed. This is the essence of doing yoga. And so far this yoga is concerned, I have seen in Tripura, there are so many young girls and boys, they are doing so nicely this yoga exercise and all. And they are earning the name and fame of Tripura. Not at Indian level, from international level also, they are getting this prestigious, so many prestigious awards from abroad also. So through yoga, particularly those who are studying in this university, I don't know whether you do practice or not, but we should follow our Honorable Prime Minister. Every day he does. So this time also, we already preponed this what we say, this Man Ki Baat, because he will be in America. So yesterday only he had preponed that. And in America I heard so that he will do this yoga event. So every time he gives us margdarshan, and through his margdarshan, the India is moving forward, the world is moving forward. When it was initially decided to celebrate this International Yoga Day, there are some, not all, from Muslim countries they had objected. But after few days they also realized that it is not religious events, but it is for ourselves, we should do it. And they also now celebrate this 21st June, this Yoga Day. So in this way, our India now India had been recognized by all over the world only because of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So here, I think so many things have been talked about. Our Vice Chancellor, he already said that there are some scarcity faculty and non-teaching staff and other so and so and. So of course from our government side, we look into it, and we want that this Tripura University, as already has mentioned, that it should be recognized by all over India. That Tripura University is something else. No way it is inferior to any other university in India. And it is up to you that you can do it. If you pull it forward, it will be possible. And I am sure by the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, you will make it. And from the government side, of course, we will support. And what I have seen in Tripura University, there are so many inventions that have been created by the students and by the department. Just now he was showing that the bottle, this water bottle also, it has been created here. So I have always from outside of the university, I always so many information I gather, And really, what you are doing wonderful. In Tripura now we have this Tripura University, Central University, NNPB University. There are some other universities from in other these things outside of Tripura. They are also taking interest to set up their university in Tripura, and two private universities, they have started their activity here. We have now this National Law University. We have now National Arts United Nations General Assembly declared 25 June as the International Day of Yoga. And we know it. And every 21st June we celebrate the International Day of Yoga. Yoga is not just merely an exercise. What I learned and what I feel, that is, this is our physiology or ancient philosophy of our country. So, who are you? Who am I? This is very important. So, if you do yoga, you will understand who am I. Sometimes we talk, we move, we go somewhere else, we read, but we don't know who am I. So, through yoga, you can understand who am I. So, your body, your mind, your intellect, everything will be developed. This is the essence of doing yoga. And so far this yoga is concerned, I have seen in Tripura, there are so many these young girls and boys, they are doing so nicely this yoga exercise and all. And they are earning the name and fame of Tripura. Not in at Indian level, from international level also, they are getting this prestigious, so many prestigious awards from abroad also. So through yoga, particularly those who are studying in this university, I don't know whether you do practice or not, but we should follow our Honorable Prime Minister. Every day he does. So this time also, we already preponed this his what we say, this Man Ki Baat, because he will be in America. So yesterday only he had preponed that incident. And in America I heard so that he will do this yoga event. So every time he gives us margdarshan, and through his margdarshan, the India is moving forward. The world is moving forward. When it was initially decided to celebrate this International Yoga Day, there were some, not all, from Muslim countries they had objected. But after few days, they also realized that it is not a religious event, but it is for ourselves. We should do it. And they also now celebrate this 21st June, this Yoga Day. So in this way, our India now India has been recognized by all over the world only because of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So here, I think so many things have been talked about. Our Vice Chancellor ji already said that there are some scarcity in faculty and non-teaching staff and other so and so on. So of course from our government side we look into it, and we want that this Tripura University, as already has mentioned, that it should be recognized by all over India. That Tripura University is something else. No way it is inferior to any other university in India. And it is up to you that you can do it. If you pull it forward, it will be possible. And I am sure by the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, you will make it. And from the government side, of course, we will support. And what I have seen in Tripura University, there are so many inventions that have been created by the students and by the department. Just now you were showing that the bottle, this water bottle also, it has been created here. So I have always from outside of the university, I always so many information I gather, and really what you are doing wonderful. In Tripura now we have this Tripura University, Central University, NNPB University. There are.
I feel really privileged and full joy.
समाज में सदा शांति हो, समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक संरक्षण हो, नवोन्मेषी को विकसित करना, गुणवत्ता आधारित शिक्षा कर्तव्य संपदा शत्रु।
Head of Faculties, Dean, Faculty of Arts, Professor Shamol Das sir, and Rani Lakshmi Bai Brahmachari Samiti.